Welcome. In this video, we're going to continue to use the limit laws to evaluate limits, and we're going to do that with the help of this graph here that demonstrates, that illustrates functions g of x and f of x. So here we have the limit as x approaches -1 of g of x divided by f of x. We can rewrite this, in fact, as the quotient of the limit as x approaches -1 of g of x with the limit as x approaches -1 of f of x. We can evaluate these limits independently, so let's begin with this one in the numerator here. That is the limit as x approaches -1 of g of x. And let's see what's happening. As we approach -1, g of x approaches about, I'd say 3.2. It's a little bit above 3, so I'm going to say approximately 3.2. What about f? Well, as we approach -1, the limit of this function f, and let's go ahead and do this in purple. So the limit as x approaches -1 of f of x, as you can see, is actually equal to 0. Well, in that case, this limit cannot exist, because in order for us to be able to rewrite this as the quotient of limits, we need to ensure that this bottom limit, that is the limit in the denominator, is not equal to 0. But since the limit as x approaches -1 of f is equal to 0, this limit cannot exist. I hope this video was helpful.